Sales numbers speak for themselves as the current CR-V is easily one of the best options on the compact SUV market. You can't go wrong with this one, but waiting for a bit more would be an even better move because the next year's model comes with a full load of updates and upgrades. Stay with us and find out 6 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Honda CR-V is a genius move. Number 6. New tech features. Let's start with something that's been driving CR-V buyers crazy for years: outdated technology. The current model still forces you to deal with the tiny 7-inch touchscreen on base models, wired smartphone connections, and tech that feels like it's stuck in 2020. Honda finally woke up and realized this was unacceptable. The 2026 CR-V completely fixes this embarrassment. Every single trim level now comes standard with a much larger 9-inch touchscreen. That's a 2-inch upgrade that makes a massive difference in usability. But here's where it gets really good. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard across the entire lineup. No more fumbling with cables every time you get in your car. Honda didn't stop there. They've added a wireless phone charging pad as standard equipment on every CR-V model. Your center console stays clean, your phone stays charged, and you can actually use your car the way it's supposed to work in 2026. Higher trim levels, including the EXL, get an even bigger upgrade: a new 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster. This configurable display lets you customize exactly what information you see, from Honda sensing settings to vehicle metrics. The top trim Sport Touring takes technology to another level with Google built-in integration, a first for the CR-V. This gives you access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store without needing to connect through your phone. You get this with a complimentary 3-year unlimited data plan, making the CR-V feel genuinely modern for the first time in years. Number 5. Improved safety features. Honda has always marketed the CR-V as a safe family vehicle, but the 2026 model takes this to an entirely new level. The current generation has earned 5-star NHTSA ratings every year since its launch, but Honda wasn't satisfied with just maintaining that standard. For 2026, Honda has updated these systems to be more responsive and accurate. The collision detection system now recognizes pedestrians and cyclists sooner, while automatic emergency braking reacts more quickly than before. These aren't just minor software tweaks. These are meaningful improvements that could prevent accidents in real-world situations. Most competitors offer fewer standard airbags, making the CR-V an excellent choice for safety-conscious buyers. The system includes front knee airbags and rear passenger side impact airbags that many rivals charge extra for or don't offer at all. Above the base LX trim, all CR-V models add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, with top trims receiving reverse automatic braking and a 360-degree camera system. Few competitors offer such a complete safety package across their lineup, and this comprehensive protection gives the CR-V a significant advantage in the compact SUV segment. Number 4. Upgraded all-wheel drive system. Here's something that could be a game changer for anyone who actually uses their SUV beyond grocery store runs. Honda has completely reworked the all-wheel drive system for 2026, and the improvements are substantial enough to make you reconsider buying the current model. This is a really big thing, considering that Honda's all-wheel drive has often been criticized in the past, with performance that wasn't exactly on par with rivals like Subaru Forester or Toyota RAV4. The new system features enhanced traction management that simulates the effect of a locking differential. At speeds below 9 miles per hour, when the system detects wheels rotating at different speeds, it increases power to the wheels with grip while applying braking force to slipping wheels. This makes a noticeable difference when traversing loose or uneven terrain. This isn't just marketing nonsense, it's a genuine capability upgrade that affects real-world performance. Whether you're dealing with snowy parking lots, gravel driveways, or actual trail driving, the new all-wheel drive system provides better control and confidence than the current generation. The system works seamlessly in the background, but the difference is immediately apparent when traction gets challenging. What makes this upgrade even more significant is that it comes standard on all all-wheel drive models, not just higher trims. You're getting legitimate off-road capability improvements without paying extra, which is exactly the kind of value Honda should be delivering. Number 3. Proven powertrain options. One area where the 2026 CR-V absolutely dominates is powertrain variety and proven reliability. While competitors are experimenting with untested engines and complex systems, Honda sticks with what works while making smart improvements. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder continues with 190 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. This engine has been refined over several years and offers the reliability Honda buyers expect. 0 to 60 times around 8.7 seconds aren't spectacular, but they're adequate for most buyers who prioritize dependability over raw performance. Where the 2026 CR-V really shines is with its hybrid powertrain options. Honda's 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid system powers 4 of the 7 trim levels, including the new Trail Sport, which we will talk about in a moment. With 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, the hybrid delivers better performance than the standard engine while achieving around 35 miles per gallon combined, significantly better than the gas-only version's 26 to 31 miles per gallon. The hybrid system provides up to 581 miles of range on a single tank, along with Honda's superior reliability reputation. The instant torque from electric motors provides quicker response and smoother acceleration compared to the standard turbocharged engine, making the hybrid the obvious choice for most buyers. Number 2. Spacious and comfortable interior. The CR-V has always been known for maximizing interior space. With 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expandable to 76.5 cubic feet with seats folded, it handily outperforms competitors like the Toyota RAV4 and Subaru Forester. Front and rear passenger space is equally impressive. The CR-V offers 41.3 inches of front legroom and a generous 41 inches for rear passengers, considerably more spacious than the RAV4's cramped 37.8 inches of rear legroom. This makes a real difference for families or anyone who regularly carries adult passengers. The interior design strikes the perfect balance between functionality and style. The honeycomb textured dashboard insert spanning most of the dash discreetly hides air vents while creating visual interest. Honda says the front seats are specifically designed to decrease driver fatigue on long trips, and the driving position has been optimized for better visibility. The center console bin between front seats is genuinely useful, and the reclining back seats provide real comfort for rear passengers. The adjustable load floor in the cargo area allows you to configure the space for different types of cargo, making the CR-V one of the most practical vehicles in its class. Number 1. Off-road-oriented trail sport is finally coming. This is the big one, the reason that makes waiting for 2026 absolutely worth it. Honda's popular Trail Sport treatment has finally arrived for the CR-V, and it's not just a cosmetic package. Trail Sport models already account for 20% of Passport, Pilot, and Ridgeline sales combined, proving there's massive demand for this kind of capability. The CR-V Trail Sport immediately stands out with more rugged styling elements. Honda gave it exclusive features including a silver skid garnish on the front fascia, orange Trail Sport badges on both the grille and tailgate, plus gloss black door handles, window trim, and a black rear spoiler. But this isn't just about looks. Honda backed it up with genuine capability upgrades. The most significant improvement comes from Continental Cross Contact ATR all-terrain tires mounted on exclusive 18-inch shark gray wheels. These tires deliver substantially improved traction in dirt, sand, mud, and rocky terrain without sacrificing on-road comfort or generating excess noise. They're specifically designed for people who want genuine capability without the penalties of aggressive off-road tires. Here's where things get really interesting. The CR-V Trail Sport is exclusively paired with Honda's hybrid powertrain. This makes it Honda's first ever hybrid trail sport, offering both off-road capability and impressive fuel efficiency in one package. With the hybrid's instant torque delivery and 204 horsepower, the Trail Sport provides better low-speed control for technical terrain while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The Trail Sport's interior distinguishes itself with unique elements like Trail Sport logos embroidered on front seat headrests and molded into all-weather floor mats. At night, amber ambient lighting illuminates the footwells, overhead console, door handles, door trays, and cup holders, creating a genuinely distinctive atmosphere. This is the first time Honda has combined cloth seating with a power tailgate in the CR-V lineup, giving Trail Sport buyers a practical combination of durable upholstery and convenience features. Starting around $40,000, the Trail Sport represents excellent value for buyers who want both on-road refinement and legitimate off-road capability. All these updates and upgrades come at the perfect moment because the competition is getting serious updates. Check out this video about the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, which you can now see on the screen. The CR-V's key rival has just got a full redesign, and the new generation is bringing massive improvements in terms of style, luxury, and hybrid performance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.